Oh, back for the log again. So, at this very moment, we are now in Sharjah. They call it Hanging Gardens, Kalba, Sharjah. So, this is how it looks like from the top. From the top? So, bumaba kami kasi sa taas. Kala namin, dun na yun. Pero sa baba pala. So, now here we are walking down the street. So, this is the view of Hanging Gardens, Kalba, when you are at the top of the mountain. At the top of the ang arte. Oh, yes. That's my friend. By the way, guys, the entrance fee is free. Supposed to be free, but then since it's holiday, nagpapa-entrance sila and medyo hindi naman talaga malaki yung Kalba. It's like good for family picnic lang or chill lang, relax lang.